Namaste. So we are making this video to teach how the basic Sanskrit sounds are pronounced. We're using the English language as a reference. It's very important, if you're going to practice Sanskrit mantras, that you know the basic sounds of the Sanskrit language. There are 52 letters in classical Sanskrit. Each one is pronounced in a different way. And Sanskrit is a very phonetic language, so that each time a particular letter is there, that sound will be pronounced in a precise way. The Sanskrit alphabet is called the Sanskrita Varna Mala. Varna means color, and Mala means garland. So we have a garland of different colors, or mystical sounds, that each creates a different colored mystical light. And so we will describe those here in this video. First, there are 16 vowel sounds. The vowel sounds relate to the tithis, the lunar phases, and they are considered feminine. And there are 16. The first sound is a. This is like the word gum, chewing gum, a. And the second is ah. For each vowel there's a long vowel as well, that we'd call in Sanskrit dirgham. Dirgham means long. And so a short vowel will have like one beat, a. The long vowel has two beats, ah. Ah. So let's take a Sanskrit word that has both, vata, meaning wind or air. Vata. So you elongate the long vowels just a little bit. So our next vowel is E. And then there's a long version of that as well. E. And then we have U and Oo. Now we have some vowel sounds which are different than what we have in English. It's indicated in the English script as an R with a dot under it. We think an R would not be a vowel sound, but in the Sanskrit word Krishna, meaning black, we get this vowel. And that this is said R. It's a rolled R sound. And some people in different places in India will say Ru. So an example would be the word Rishi, meaning sage. Or some people would say Rushi. We say Ri, Rishi. Then there's a long version of that, which is just an elongated version. Ri. It's rolled a little bit longer. And then the next vowel is Lri. It's like an L sound, la, with a ri added to it. Lri, lri. And we have an elongated version of this vowel as well. Lri, lri. It just gets more of a beat. The short version is lri, and the long version is lri, lri. So then we have the A sound. A is a long sound, and also I is a long vowel sound. And then we have O is a long vowel sound, as in the word yoga. And then there's ow. And next we have a vowel sound. There's a We call this the anuswara. Or in some cases, this is indicated with a little half moon sort of shape and a dot. And we call this the Chandra Bindu. Chandra means moon and Bindu means dot. And so this is said or some people say ang. In the case of the Krishna Yajurveda chanting, we would say agum or agus. And our last vowel is the visarga. It's called visarga. This is the H with a dot under it. in the English script. This is like an aspiration of the preceding vowel sound. So we have aha, as in namaha. Om Shivaya Namaha. Aha. And so this will change a little bit if we have a long a, ah. And this would be aha. Aha, aha, ihi, ihi, uhu, uhu, ehe, aihi, oho, auhu, auhu. So those are the 16 vowels.